Welcome to this 10-minute mindfulness body scan meditation. Please find a comfortable position, either lying down or seated, with your hands resting in your lap or by your sides. When you're ready, gently close your eyes. Begin by taking a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely, and slowly exhale through your mouth. Do this once more, breathing in and breathing out. Feel your body settle into the present moment. Notice the sensations of the ground beneath you, the way your body makes contact with the surface you're sitting or lying on. Now gently bring your attention to your breath. No need to change it. Just observe the natural rhythm of your breathing. Feel the air as it enters through your nose, travels down to your lungs, and then leaves through your mouth. Simply notice the rise and fall of your chest or abdomen with each breath. Let your breath anchor you to the present moment. If your mind begins to wander, that's perfectly normal. When you notice your attention drifting, gently acknowledge it, and then bring your focus back to your breath. Each time you come back to the breath, you are strengthening your mindfulness. Breathe in and out. We'll now begin a body scan, moving your awareness through different parts of your body. As I guide you, notice any sensations, whether they feel comfortable, uncomfortable, or neutral. Without judgment, simply observe. Gently breathe in and out. Start by focusing on the top of your head. Notice any sensations on your scalp. Gently breathe in and out. Now bring your attention to your forehead and notice if there is any tension here. If there is, let it soften as you gently breathe out. Move your awareness to your eyes and the muscles around them, and notice, are they tense or relaxed? Continue to gently breathe in and out. Shift your focus to your jaw. Notice if you're holding tension here, and gently allow it to release as you breathe out. Now bring your attention to your neck and shoulders. Notice if there is any tension here. And as you breathe out, let go of all tension you may be holding. Move your awareness to your chest. Feel the rise and fall of your breath here. Now, direct your awareness to your arms, your elbows, your hands and fingers. Notice any sensations of tingling, warmth, or coolness. And as you breathe out, let your hands and arms relax fully. Bring your attention to your abdomen, noticing the natural movement of your breath. Now, move your awareness to your hips, to your thighs and knees. Notice, are they tense or relaxed? Now, direct your focus down to your calves, your ankles and feet. Let them soften as you breathe. Now bring your attention to your whole body as a complete system. Notice how it feels to be fully present in your body, aware of all sensations from head to toe. Gently bring your attention back to your breath, noticing the in-breath and the out-breath. Allow yourself to be in this moment of stillness. When you are ready, start to deepen your breath and slowly bring awareness back to the room around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and when you are ready, gently open your eyes. Take a moment to feel gratitude for this time of mindfulness and carry this sense of awareness and calm with you into the rest of your day.